In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira to Salesforce 5 minutes. We'll connect Jira to Salesforce using the connector for Salesforce and Jira app from the Atlassian Marketplace. Before we begin, make sure you have Jira admin rights and coordinate with a Salesforce admin for any Salesforce side settings. If possible, test this in a sandbox first. Start by signing in to your Jira site. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation and open the More menu. From there, select Apps. This takes you to the Apps section where you can browse and manage Marketplace add-ons. In the search bar, type Connector for Salesforce and Jira. You're looking for the official listing that integrates Salesforce with Jira. Open that listing to review the details, compatibility, and permissions. It's a good idea to quickly confirm the app supports your Jira deployment type and version. When you're ready, choose Install or Add to Jira. Jira will ask you to confirm permissions and then begin the installation. Give it a moment to complete. You'll see a confirmation when it's ready. If your organization requires approvals, make sure you've followed your internal process before installing. After installation, you can configure your Salesforce remote site. This step is important because Salesforce needs to allow secure callouts to your Jira host. In Salesforce Setup, search for Remote Site Settings and add a new entry that points to your Jira base URL. Name it clearly so your team recognizes it. If your company uses strict network rules, you may also need to list the necessary endpoints. The connector's documentation will provide the exact URLs and any additional requirements, so keep that handy and involve your Salesforce admin if needed. Back in Jira, return to the Apps menu and open Connector for Salesforce and Jira. This launches the app's home inside Jira, where you'll manage the connection going forward. From here, you'll follow the on-screen guidance to finish configuration, such as authenticating to Salesforce and selecting which projects and objects you want to make available. Don't worry, we're not changing your process today. We're just making sure the connector is installed and accessible. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Confirm you're using the least privileged accounts necessary, document any settings you change, and plan to test with a non-production record before rolling out widely. And that's it. Jira is now set up with the connector for Salesforce and Jira, and you're ready to continue configuration as your workflow requires.